We're going to use StatKey to construct a sampling distribution for a mean, given a dataset that is not built in. In the file patownsPop.xls, we have the number of residents in every town in the state of Pennsylvania. We're going to construct a sampling distribution for the mean. To enter these data into StatKey, we'll click Edit Data. I'm going to select all of the existing data and delete it. In Excel, I'm going to copy both columns. And then I'll paste these into StatKey. There are two boxes below that we need to check. The first is that the first column is an identifier. In this case, our first column is the name of each town. This is an identifier, so we need to make sure that this box is checked. The second box is that the data has header row. You'll look at the first row that we copied in. It says town residents. So we do have a header row, and we'll keep the second box checked as well. When I click OK, the dot plot in the upper right shows us our population distribution that we just pasted into StatKey. We can use this now to construct a sampling distribution for the mean.